Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Justina and here I like to make, create, and inspire fun art things with you through my DIYs. As you see by today's title, it is 50 days until Halloween. I am super excited, but today's video I have a decorate with me and it is in my living room. I am super excited to start decorating all around my house more and more for the holiday season that is coming up, which is my favorite, is Halloween. Now I will try my best to tell you where I purchased everything or when did I make some of my items down in the description box below and throughout this video. So if you want to see any of those, be sure to check down there. Now remember, if you are new here and you haven't yet subscribed, I hope you do that today. All you have to do is click on that big red subscribe button down below. It is totally free, but don't forget to click on the bell notification so that YouTube can always notify you every time I upload a new video. Plus, I would love for you to be part of our virtual family here. Now, if you would like to see how I decorated part of my living room, just keep on watching and let's decorate today. Now to begin with, this is the wall specifically that I am going to be working on. This is in my living room and this is the open space between the living room and my hallway. There is a bedroom to the left and a couple bedrooms to the right, and as you see with the door open, that is a bathroom. Now in particular, this little cutout area I have been thinking about decorating for so long now, and I finally got an idea of how I would like to decorate it. That little pink area over there, that is just a bed in the living room, and that is for when we have company, which we've been having more and more of, so that there's an extra space. Now to begin with, I have this stretchy gauze from the 99-cent store. It was $1.99 and I wanted to see if this stuff really worked. I had purchased some spider webs from Spirit Halloween and I really liked that material. However, I wanted to see if this was as good or even better. And the main area that I want to place this gauze is in this little cutout area right here in my living room. But the first thing I needed to do was remove it from its packaging. Now with the old gauze that I was using for spider webbing, it does not come with holes. And this one does. It is a different material. It's more of a silky material rather than a gauze material in my opinion. So I started putting it up in that little area, and to place it all along my wall I am just using some push pins that I purchased from Dollar Tree. Now as I was messing around with it more and more, it just wasn't fitting the idea that I had in my head and I was getting more frustrating, so I went with plan B, which was going through my Halloween decorations and pulling out my old gauze that I already had in my stash, and I decided, well, since I have it, I better use it. So to save up some time, I just threw it on once again using push pins that I had from Dollar Tree. Now as you see here, this was the exact look that I was going for. I really wanted it to look like a giant spider made its web right in the middle of this hole, and I absolutely loved how it turned out. Now that I had my spider web where I liked it, it was now time to add the giant spiders all over the areas where I wanted them. I purchased these giant spiders from the 99-cent store. I believe they were $1.99 or $2.99. And then these medium-sized black spiders I purchased from Dollar Tree, and they were $1.25 each. Then these little spiders also came from Dollar Tree. I believe 2 come in the pack for $1.25. And then the skeleton spiders I also purchased from Dollar Tree. I just hooked them up using a zip tie and connected it with the spider web, so it looks like a bunch of spiders are crawling all over the web. I still haven't gone through all of my Halloween decoration buckets yet because I still have a bunch of spiders that I want to add to my web, but for right now that will just do. Next, I want to decorate this ledge that is right under the open area, and to do so I'm using Dollar Tree creepy cloth. I love Dollar Tree's creepy cloth because you can do so much decorations with it, and it's only $1.25 and they give you a really large piece. What I like to do is cut it down and manipulate it to the desired look that I'm going for, so I have many uses out of it. The look that I was going for this ledge here is that I really wanted it to look old, that it's been there for years, and that it's overrun by spiders, but witches have come in and set up their things all over this ledge. It's just this chaotic look that I'm going for. So I'm going to continue layering all of the creepy cloth until I get that desired look that I'm going for. Now I really wanted a centerpiece, so I have this little ceramic plant holder that I purchased from not Dollar Tree, from the 99-cent store. I believe it was $12.99 at the time. And coming out of his head, I wanted this black spider looking like it's crawling up. Now I will continue adding all of the elements right on top of the ledge here of things that I have made and things that I've purchased throughout the year. I will insert all of the things that I know offhand throughout the video, but for right now I'm going to play a little bit of creepy music so that you can enjoy watching me decorate this little ledge here. Now that I am done with the first half of this ledge, I really loved how it turned out. Everything is overflowing and everything looks cohesive, that it belongs with each other. So I will start working on the second half. It is similar in style, but it does have different decorations. And once again, I will play a little music so you can enjoy. That completes today's Decorate With Me, friends. I really hope that you enjoyed. I absolutely loved how this turned out. I really want to get some more of those giant spiders and just place them everywhere all over my house. I really love that look. It is creepy, but not too spooky because I do still have little ones, and they said that it was just enough spooky for this Halloween season, and I absolutely love it. I would love to know what you guys think about this down in the comment section below. I do read each and every one of your comments, and I enjoyed seeing all of the positivity coming my way. While you are down there, also let me know if you had started your decorating for Halloween yet. I know a lot of people have told me that they wait to the end of September to start decorating, but I find myself more and more wanting to start at the beginning of September so that I have 2 months of Halloween decorations to enjoy. I keep my house fairly witchy throughout the year because that is just our style. However, having the Halloween decorations up just makes it look so much better, and I absolutely love it. It always puts a smile on all of our faces. So I would love to know when you guys start decorating for this spooky season. Now remember, friends, if you are new here and you haven't yet subscribed, I hope you do that today. All you have to do is click on that big red subscribe button down below. It is totally free, but don't forget to click on the bell notification so that YouTube can always notify you every time I upload a new video. Plus, I would love for you to be part of our virtual art family. If you are already a subscriber, thank you so much. I do appreciate each and every one of you. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. It really does help out my channel. And if you can share it to at least one of your spooky friends that would enjoy this video as well, it does help out. If you would like to see more photos of today's video, I do have a Facebook and an Instagram page where I post more photos of all either DIYs or decorating videos for you over there. I would love for you to pop over and say hello and check those out as well. All of the links are down in the description box below. Now, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for taking the time and coming along and decorating my living room with me. I'm really excited to finish the rest of my house with Halloween decoration. But for right now, thank you so much. And as always, I will see you in the next one.